Hey everybody, welcome back. What goes from zero to fail in less than 10 minutes? Find out on this episode of Throttle Grotto. Hey everybody, welcome back. So, this is the Jetta from this summer, which was part of the Will We Profit series. And I think this is where the Will We Profit series for the Jetta is going to end. I sold it today. Why is it still in my driveway? Because it went 2 miles and came back. Huge problem with some top end noise. I really don't know what's going on at this point. I'm so frustrated. All I want to do is park the thing out. Like, finally had someone to show up to buy it, and it literally breaks down in like 10 minutes. Like, I took it on a test drive, all that stuff. Like, I filled out the bill of sale. I was like, you know what, no warranty, sold as is, all that stuff. I felt bad because it's like literally like, and put that stuff in there, you know, it's like, hey, the car breaks down in 30 days. I'm like, sorry, there's no warranty 30 days out. But this was like less than 10 minutes. So I don't know what's going on with it, but I'll let you guys hear it. It sounds terrible. And of course now there's a giant cloud of crap out the tailpipe, which wasn't there 10 minutes ago. That's good news too. So the good news is I don't think the engine jumped time. Feel like it's almost like there's a blockage in the oil passages somewhere. I don't know, because like the top end makes a lot of noise. I've got oil just pouring out the tail, or you know, oil coming out the tailpipe like crazy. I don't know, but if any of you guys have any suggestions, I'd love to hear it, because this car is like, it's like a homeless person that set up residence in your driveway and that won't go away, and like you can't evict them, you can't get rid of it. It's just, here I am, I'm the Jetta, I don't have to go anywhere, just gonna stare at you every time you leave. So that is the Jetta update for now, until I decide to tear into it and figure out why it's broken. So until next time, get out there and work on something. Or come over and work on this so I don't have to.